Hi guys, I'm Romel Carlo Valdivieso and you're watching Romel Carlo's vlog. The reference angle. What is reference angle? The reference angle is always positive. The acute angle between the terminal side and the x-axis. There are 4 quadrants. The quadrant 1, which x and y is positive, and the quadrant 2 is x is negative and the y is positive. Quadrant 3 was x and y are negatives, and the quadrant 4, which is x is positive, y is negative. The figure below shows the figure below shows its degrees, which is 0, figure. So let's try. Find the reference angle of 50 degrees, which was the standard angle was 50 degrees, and the reference angle which 50 degrees. Find the reference angle of 238 degrees, which was here. The 238 degrees, which is the standard angle minus the reference angle. Find the reference angle of 238 degrees, which was so 238 degrees minus 180 degrees was the reference angle 58 degrees. Find the reference angle of 144 degrees, which is here. The standard angle was 144. So 180 degrees minus 144 is equal to 36 degrees, which was the reference angle in the inside. Find the reference angle of 329 degrees. So here, so 229 degrees is the standard angle. So 360 degrees minus 229 degrees is equal to 31 degrees, which was the reference angle. That's the end of my vlog. Hope you learned something new today, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next math tutorial. Bye!